So I have some here.
Don't put too much.
Okay, let's try this a little bit first. That's enough?
I
think
guess.
that's enough.
Yeah, let's see if the baking soda and vinegar clears that out. That's not a lot,
No.
is it?
I mean, there's a lot more in shower drains, especially when there's women or men with really long hair.
Try it like that. No more.
Okay, let's
There's
try.
a hair clog.
So now we're gonna put this back together.
Cool.
Okay, this is nice and tight.
That's loose hair. I'm gonna say that should clean it out.
It should. I mean, it's not packed in there. How much should I put in?
I'd say that's more than enough.
Okay. Let's try this out.
Get that cap ready, because that really fizzes up. Hey, it moved it.
It did.
It did move it. I bet you do that again, it clears out the hair clog. Hell yeah.
I mean,
So
it's
that's-
moving slowly.
All right, but if you ran water in it now, it'll come out.
Let's see.
So that was like an affirmative, I think. Yeah. So what do you think?
I mean, you still have some hair
Yeah, but
lingering.
that's a trap. It cleared it out. Let's give baking soda and vinegar, a
Another
break.
try? Okay.
I want to get a call from Armin, you know?